Refraction is the bending of a wave when it enters a medium where its speed is different. The refraction of light when it passes from a fast medium to a slow medium bends the light ray toward the normal to the boundary between the two media. So in here you could see that the laser is bending in the water that way.
Once these incident rays strike the lens, refract them according to 3 rules of refraction of converging lenses. The ray that passes through the focal point on the way to the lenses will refract and travel parallel to the principal axis. We use a straight edge to accurately draw its path. So as you can see, the light is reflecting and it's going this way, it's also going this way, and it's going this way.
A plane mirror is a mirror with a flat reflected surface, just as you could see right here where the light is shining on the mirror and it's reflecting off. For light rays striking a plane mirror, the angle of reflection equals the angle of incidence. The angle of incidence is the angle between the incidence ray and the surface normal. So you could see how if you draw a line, it would be the angle of incidence.
If you put a colored lens in front of a light box and you put your hand on the other side of the mirror, your hand will be whatever color that mirror is. So as you can see, I'm putting my hand right here in front of the mirror, which is the red, and it's also reflecting it. So if it was blue, then it would be reflected blue, but since it's red, you can see on the palm of my hand it's red.
A mirror is a mirror with a curved reflecting surface, as you can see on the mirror. The surface may be either convex or concave. Most curved mirrors have surfaces that are shaped like a part of a sphere, but other shapes are sometimes used in optical devices. So I put the light shining on the concave lens, and you could see them like converging in and then separating again.
You can see over here.
You see how it's curved in and then coming out? A convex mirror, which is also a fisheye mirror or diverging mirror, is a curved mirror in which the reflected surface bulges toward the light source. Convex mirrors reflect light outwards, therefore they are not used to focus light. So what I did is I put the light box on this one too, and I shined it on the convex mirror, and you could see how the light is coming out like down, straight, and up.
First it comes straight and then it goes out.
Yeah, so it bends.
The wavelength and frequency of light are closely related. The higher the frequency, the shorter the wavelength. Because all the light waves move through a vacuum at the same speed, the number of wave crests passing by a given point in 1 second depends on the wavelength. So then we have C equals the speed of light, and that is what the abbreviation stands for. And then we have EM waves travel at 3 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Here is the picture of the reflecting. Here is where you can see as they come together. Also another picture as they come together, then go out. This one they go all out. This one is more further apart, which goes out.